Kasi I have had this bill since before about the minimum wage. Kasi very, very clear naman. For example, yung mga diesel at saka gasolina sa Manila, nasa 70-80 pesos. Dito sa Cebu, umaabot ng 101 pesos ang diesel and gasolina. And yet, ang minimum wage dito sa Cebu is 500, 540. Whereas in Manila, it's 680. So parang mas mahal yung gasolina, pinaka-basic, imported tanan na bigas, kasi wala naman kayong bugas dito na talagang tinatanim. So imported, mas mahal din. So why is it that there's such a huge difference between the minimum wage of Region 7 versus Metro Manila? When in fact, basic commodities, basic gasoline prices, and the rice cost is higher than Metro Manila. So that's my question. I think we need to revisit the whole scheme of the regional wage councils, the wage boards. Total, mabagal din sila eh. Complain din. So I think it's important we start looking at it again and see how this metric that they use is actually applying. Especially right now na may oil shock tayo, may bill shock pati sa kuryente, talagang importante na tignan natin kung makakaraos pa yung tao dyan sa 500 pesos na yan.